case you are not able to see Google Maps on this Apple CarPlay display panel, so you have to update the Google Play from your mobile store. To do the same, you have to go to App Store first, search Google Maps, and then you need to update it. So friends, right now we have successfully updated our Google Maps app, and you can clearly see that now the Google Maps is visible on the screen. So we'll post both the episodes with the Apple Maps as well the Google Maps. So it is totally your preference whether you want to go with the Apple Maps or the Google Maps. So please stay tuned for the further episodes. Thanks for watching. This is Vishwi signing off from Smart Drive.